Welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about the 2026 Mazda RX-8. Yes, the rotary-powered icon is finally making a comeback. After years of speculation and concepts, Mazda has officially revived the RX-8 for a new generation, and it brings with it a bold mix of heritage styling, modern tech, and a reimagined rotary engine. Whether you're a longtime fan or just discovering the RX lineup, this is one sports car you'll want to hear about. Let's start with the exterior. The 2026 RX-8 carries the spirit of the original but updates it with Mazda's current Kodo design philosophy. The front end is aggressive and aerodynamic, with a low-slung hood, narrow LED headlights, and a sleek black talc grille that gives the car a fierce look. Functional air vents on the sides and a sculpted bumper improve both cooling and down. The long hood and short rear deck proportions remain, giving it that classic front mid-engine sports car stance. Mazda has retained the signature freestyle rear-hinged doors, which not only look cool but provide easier access to the rear seats, a unique feature in this segment. Around the back, the taillights have a circular rotary-inspired design, and the rear diffuser houses dual exhaust tips that hint at what's under the hood. It sits low on the road with a wide stance and optional 19-inch alloy wheels that complete the aggressive, performance-oriented look. Moving to the interior, the 2026 RX-8 balances sportiness with a surprisingly upscale cabin. The driver-focused cockpit includes a redesigned flat-bottom steering wheel, aluminum pedals, and a digital gauge cluster that displays rotary-specific performance data like revs, oil pressure, and torque distribution. The infotainment system features a floating 10.3-inch display with Mazda's latest interface. Now with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, the seats are bolstered for spirited driving but still comfortable for daily use. And the rear seats, though compact, are functional for short trips or additional storage. Premium materials like suede inserts, contrast stitching, and brushed metal trims elevate the cabin beyond traditional expectations for a compact sports car.now for performance, and this is where things get really exciting. The 2026 RX-8 introduces Mazda's all-new rotary range extended hybrid system. It pairs a compact rotary engine acting as a generator with a rear-mounted electric motor, producing a combined 300 horsepower. This setup allows the RX-8 to remain lightweight, while offering instant torque from the electric motor and the unique character of a rotary engine. A 0 to 60 time of under 5 seconds is expected, and the car offers a near 50/50ths weight distribution, ensuring razor-sharp handling and balance in corners. The new suspension system has been tuned for dynamic driving but retains enough comfort for daily usability. It's rear-wheel drive only, staying true to its enthusiast roots. Pricing for the 2026 RX-8 starts at around $42,000 for the base trim, with higher performance versions and premium packages reaching close to $50,000. It's competitively priced against other compact sports coupes, especially considering its unique drivetrain and bold design. That's everything on the 2026 Mazda RX-8, a true revival of a legend with modern engineering and unmistakable character. Let us know in the comments if this rotary-powered return is what you've been waiting for. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth car reviews. See you in the next video.